get some noise in your tires for our car? It's a flippin' Volkswagen. Nissan, trucker trailer, full caravan of vehicles. Oh yeah, and the occasional Harley rider that likes to rev his bike as he drives by. Followed by 7 cars. Well, at least we don't have big trucks going by. The 18-wheelers kill me. Make sure you stay tuned for updates on the Comanche. What? Yeah, what are you looking at? Oh, this is going to make the outtake videos for sure. Can I stay zoomed in? Oh my gosh. Can I get 2 minutes of silence? Nope. Nope. Camper. Followed by a caravan of cars. I'm afraid to pass it. I really need to move. Hi guys, I'm Dave, and welcome to Big Jeepers Garage. Oh, that was nice. So if you like today's video, be sure to like it. If you like today's video, be sure to like it. And if you really like it, click subscribe. And you can click the bell for subscribe. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, whatever you want to do. Let me pass this truck. Finally. He's going to get behind that bike that's in front of him. I think I'm done for today. Nice pretty hats you're wearing in that Mustang. You're wearing matching hats in our convertible Mustang. Here we go. I swear every Booker run goes past you. I think I'm having a nervous breakdown. I'm getting really tired of this. Okay. Why the hell is everybody waving at me? I do not look friendly. Leave me alone. And if you think what I'm doing is stupid, that's okay. Try making a video yourself. It ain't easy. I'm done. So glad I remembered to turn the microphone on now. Gosh, people must hate me when I drive by their house. Everything I drive is loud. I really don't want to hear your music, jerk. Set of headphones. Everybody's out for a Sunday drive. But I don't want to go on the... I'm not here for your pleasure. Yeah. Nice. Simplest putting a screwdriver in there. It looks exactly as the opposite. Yeah, exactly, but the opposite. Doesn't make any sense, does it? Click the like if you like it. Click the dislike if you dislike it. If you liked it, click like. If you didn't, too bad. I don't care. But, did I say enough things today? Gee, thanks. Too bad I didn't film any of it. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, or make a comment below. Good or bad. Either way works. Man, I hope this cuts together. Using these brackets and the stash. Blah! In this dash. First things first, we're gonna get that gear call. I didn't say that very well. Let's see. Maybe this will get me out of the doghouse. I swear, everybody that thinks they're Peter Fonda on Captain America is riding by my house today and waving at me. I don't even know what to say anymore. Alright. What sucks is you can hear him from a mile and a half away. I've lived here 16 years. I don't think I've ever seen this much traffic. This better have been rolling. Getting the Comanche to be able to be on. Have a nice day. Driving your Jeep, bud, making noise.